$150 an hour to cook, clean, and just live your life? Sounds like a dream job, right? Well, it's real. AI companies are paying people to film their daily routines to help train humanoid robots. But before you grab your phone and start recording your laundry, let's talk about what's actually happening. AI companies like Encord, Micro One, and Scale AI are on a data gold rush, and your kitchen might be their next frontier. They need millions of hours of human motion data, how you chop, stir, wipe, fold, and reach, to train robots to move like us, think like us, and maybe even replace us. So yes, people are really being paid to record themselves cooking or cleaning. And for some, it's a legit side hustle. But here's the catch. Not everyone's making $150 an hour. That viral rate? It's usually for highly technical work, like showing robots how to handle complex tools or specialized equipment. For most people, the pay looks more like $10 to $50 per hour, depending on the task, setup, and quality of footage. And worse, scammers are already cashing in on the hype. Fake listings, cloned websites, and AI-generated recruiters promising big pay for small chores. So if someone offers you $150 an hour to film yourself washing dishes, alert, that's a major red flag. Then again, the opportunity is real when it's legitimate. AI companies genuinely need first-person videos, footage from real homes, real hands, real motions. That's how humanoid robots learn balance, grip, and coordination. You might see listings on sites like Craigslist or specialized data platforms, but here's the rulebook for staying safe. Don't send money, don't overshare personal info, verify the company's real website, and read the fine print, especially about who owns your footage. Because your data might not just train robots, it might define how they act, move, and interact with the world. So yes, AI might pay you to do your chores. But remember, when you teach a robot how to clean, you might also be teaching it how to replace you. Stay smart, stay skeptical, and hit like if you want more breakdowns of how tech is quietly reshaping your life. The future's watching. Are you ready?